In this video, I'm going to show you how to know your Rcbc account number. Now, in order to know your Rcbc account number, all you have to do is to go to your account statement for any month you have. You will find there your Rcbc account number. So now I am going to show you how to find your account statement. So if you are already enrolled in Rcbc online banking, this is how you can view your statement online. To view that, just log in into your Rcbc banking account. Then on the dashboard, just click on View Statements, and under Statements of Account, select the corresponding account number and the month, and then click on View. After that, you click on View, you will find your account number in the statement, so go ahead and copy it, and you should be all good to go. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.